Good morning, class. Here we are with our first video lesson notes. I had a challenge from the other course that we needed to come up with a little intro video for my videos. I forget what they called it on YouTube, but that's what we're going to work on. So it's a little bonus project. Help me come up with a creative way to start all my YouTube videos, whether that's a little logo or something I say. I'm into it. So a little bonus project if you want to work on it. Help me come up with an intro for these things. So here we go, our first video lesson notes on Chapter 1, Sections 1 and Section 2. All right, hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, here we are on Chapter 1 notes, Section 1.1. Operations that we were talking about, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The words that go with those, the sum of, the difference of, the product of, and the quotient of. Those are like the answers to addition, problem, subtraction. And there they are in algebra. Remember, you can pause my videos at any time if you want to write these notes down. I highly recommend it. All right, here we go. Practice long division. So we do 234 divided by 9. We first have to ask the question, how many times does 9 go into 23? We see that's twice, so that equals 18. 23 minus 18 is 5. You bring down the 4. 9 goes into 54 6 times, so the answer is 26. And here are some words that go along with division problems. Dividend, divisor, and quotient. All right, on to section 1.2. Here are the words power, base, exponent, and a perfect square. So base is the main number in a power. The exponent is the little number above it, and the whole thing is the power. So power, base, and exponent. We'll come back to perfect square. So power is, we can think of it, or these are the words that go with it. So 3 squared, or 3 to the second power. 3 cubed when it's got a little 3, and then 3 to the 4th power, and so on. 3 to the 5th power, 3 to the 6th power. So when it's got a little 2, it's 3 squared, and when it's got a little 3, it's 3 cubed. So how do we write a product as a power? And this is what we practice on our homework. So we can see this is called a product when we have all those numbers lined up. There are 8 4s, so we write a little exponent of 8, so we know it's 4 to the 8th power. All right, find the value of each power. So now we have a power, 7 squared, and we want to find the value. So you do 7 times 7, which is 49. 5 cubed, we do 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5, there we go. All right, a perfect square. So we can see here I drew a little example. 3 times 3 equals 9, so 9 is the perfect square. 9 is a perfect square because 3 times 3 equals it. So it has a whole number when squared equals 9. So think about it in terms of what whole numbers times each other equal a perfect square. So is 64 a perfect square? Can we think of a whole number that when it's timed by itself equals 64? I think we can. So we know that, here we are on the left now, that 64 is a perfect square because 8 times 8 equals 64, so it has a whole number. 20 is not a perfect square because there are no whole numbers when multiplied that equal 20. All right, that's it for sections 1.1 and 1.2. 1.1 was about long division and whole number operations. Section 1.2 was, 1.2 was about powers and exponents. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. All right, so I recorded these notes a few days ago, and I haven't done these in a while, and I remembered that I need to slow way down because I can't even talk over them in time. So this one is fast. I hope it's review. If not, slow it down, pause it, do whatever you need to get the information, or come see me in office hours. I'm always happy to help. But yeah, here we are. So remember, a little fun project helped me come up with an intro to my YouTube's videos. Also, please come to me if you have any questions. Remember, we're going fast right now because I believe this is review. If this is not review for you, please come see me. Let me know. I will find you more videos. I will help you get better. And that's where we're going. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye.